Hey guys, happy June. It is June 1st. We're in the home stretch. Last couple weeks, work completion has been down from some of you. Some of you have been doing very little or doing nothing. And I know you guys can do better. And I know that you can at least attempt problems and try them. And remember, you can always ask for help, which I have not heard from some of you in quite a while. So I'd love to hear from you if you're struggling. If not, I'd love to see you attempting your work this week, okay? Let's finish on a good note and finish strong, and we're going to do a little bit of algebra stuff just to kind of get you ready, because I know in the fall you're going to be going back to school. You're going to be starting high school as freshmen. Very exciting for you guys. I'll do a little video later in the week just kind of addressing you guys, and yeah, so here's what you're gonna see for today. Okay, you're gonna see some algebra tiles. So it's gonna look something like this. There'll be like a box with an X in it, and there'll be like all these little boxes. So you might see a problem. Looks like this, and I drew circles, but they're boxes with just they have the number 1 in them, like that. They're all the number 1. So then over here on this problem, let's see, we got 6, 5, and then it's going to give you some options at the bottom. What you're looking at over on this side is you're looking at, oh, that's a horrible arrow, I'm sorry. Let's try that again. You're looking at x, so you have an x, like the variable x there, an unknown, right? We don't know how much this rectangle here is worth. So you have x plus 8. So that's what this looks like. X plus 8 equals, and then basically you just count up all the single ones over here. So you have 5, 10 plus 6 would be 16, okay? Now, IXL is going to give you, at first, they're going to give you some problems that will have, answers like this. So there'll be like 4 different ones for you to choose from, okay? In this case, it would be x plus 8 equals 16. At some point, they may give you some problems where you actually have to kind of decide. So they might give you something that looks like this. Like they might give you the equation instead. So I'll kind of show you how to work backwards from it. It's not too bad. I don't think you guys do too bad with it, but hope you've been getting outside while I'm racing here. Hope you've been getting outside, enjoying some really nice weather. It's been really windy recently. So you might get something like this. They're going to say, all right, x plus 9 equals 14. So you have to look at 4 different pictures to choose from, or diagrams to pick from, and you got to find what looks like it. So in this case, you have a rectangle with an X, and then you'd have 9 squares or circles, and then over here you'd have 14 little squares. So X plus 9 equals 14 would look like this. All right. I think you guys will do well with this. I don't think it's too hard of a skill. I know that you're all capable, and I don't even think it's super challenging for you. I think it's just a good challenge that is good. So if you can, for today, you're going to do level H, Z.4, and you're going to go to a score of 75, okay? You're going to have 2 more lessons after this week, and that is it for the year. And I'm going to do a video on Thursday instead of doing Dreambox or IXL. Just kind of addressing you guys and talking to you and just wishing you well. And yeah, so anyways, HZ4, score 75 for today. Thanks.